Welcome back, guys. So today we've got the N70 Hilux and it's got a leaking front diff, so we're going to replace the seals in it. Let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is just lift it off the ground, remove this front wheel and get it up in the air. So as you can see, looking underneath the car, this is your front diff. This is axle seal here, the CV seal, where it goes into the diff. It's leaking out there. So we've got to pop that CV out and replace the seal. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is drain the oil. And that's your drain plug and that's your filler plug up there. You just want to loosen off the filler plug to start with because usually they're really tight. Just use an Allen key. And then I'll just use a socket for the bottom one. Just let that oil drain out. Now that oil's finished draining, I'm just going to install the drain plug. Okay, now to get this CV out, I'm going to undo the steering arm sway bar and this bottom ball joint. With this, just take the split pin out. It's a 19mm socket. Just loosen that nut off. You can just give it a bit of a tap to loosen it off. Undo the nut. Sway bar is just a 17mm socket. Nut on the back. And the bottom ball joint, this has 2 bolts in it, 19mm. Now this whole hub will be loose. Now I'm just going to pop that CV joint out. Just going to get a pry bar in between the diff and the CV there. And there's a bit of a circlip snap ring on there on the inside, so you just got to give it a good, should just come out. This whole hub assembly will just we'll just slide that out to the side. And you can see our seal here. That's the one we got to replace. So let's get a pry bar in there and get behind that seal. You should be able to pop it out. So now the old seal's out, let's give it a good spray with some parts cleaner. Get some rag and give it a good clean. Now we're just going to install the new seal. That's the part number for the left hand side. That's the part number for the right hand side. So just sit your new seal in there. Try and get it started nice and evenly. I'm just going to get a big socket with a couple of extensions to push on the outside of it, and then just slowly tap it in. Make sure that's home and nice and even the whole way around. CV back in. Just make sure that snap ring's facing down. Get it nice and central. Make sure it's in that spline. Just a couple good taps to get that lock ring in. Then you can try and pull it back out. If you can't pull it back out, you know that snap ring's gone in. You just want to get your bottom ball joint back in first. Put a little bit of Loctite on the threads. Let's get them started. Tighten them up. Sway bar. Then your steering arm. Sure you line your split pin hole up. Just install a new split pin. Fold it over so it doesn't come undone. Yeah, we changed the seal, now we're just gonna fill the diff up. Got drain plugs in and just pump oil in until it starts running out. The level plug. It's about 1.6 litres of oil. Starting to run out there now. Just let any excess drain out. When it stops draining out, just put the plug back in. Nip it up. Just clean any excess oil off it. I'm just going to let this down and put the tyre back on. That's how you change your front diff seals on your N70 Hilux. Thanks for watching. Hope you learnt something. Please like, subscribe and comment, and we'll catch you on the next one.